Arab Air Conditioning and Refrigeration Company are the engineering and refrigeration division of Grandmark Group, Doha, Qatar. During last year, we have installed and commissioned more than 50 cold rooms, as well as 100 insulated boxes and reefer trucks. We have very well qualified owned staffs with quality, safety, and timely implementation of the projects.
I am so glad to be a part of the Arab Air Conditioning and Refrigeration Company. We came to the state of Qatar in the exact right timing. We have a very good professional customer service team. Qatar government support us to build the best cold chain business in our country. We would like to thank the Qatar government for all the support they have been giving us.
Arab Air Conditioning and Refrigeration Company have been ambitiously established in Qatar as the engineering division of Grandmark Group 6 years ago.
We are the authorized distributors for Carrier Refrigeration System.
The vision of Arab Air Conditioning and Refrigeration Company is to be a respectable firm in the Middle East, HVACR market.
It is our promise to delight our valuable customers with best products and solutions, followed by the best of service support.
And our mission are to be one of the reputed and admired truck body builder and transport or bus refrigeration provider of Qatar by end of 2016. To expand itself to the areas of cold room service, ammonia service, air conditioning service, and bus AC maintenance. Arab Air Conditioning and Refrigeration offers total refrigeration solution, trust of quality and reliability, technical and design support, economic and efficient product range, in-time delivery of the unit and finished goods, experienced and committed staffs, warranty and exceptional services backup.